What did you have for breakfast?
I had pancakes for breakfast.
What's her mother's name?
Her mother's name is Sandra. Which of those cars is yours?
The red one is mine.
Where is the nearest library?
The nearest library is 2 blocks away.
When does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7 p.m.
How many books did she buy?
She bought 2 books.
How much money did he win in the lottery?
He won $10,000. Whose car is parked in front of the house?
It belongs to John.
What is the weather like today?
The weather is sunny and warm today.
Why are you learning French?
Because I plan to travel to Paris.
Who invited you to the party?
I was invited by the birthday boy.
Who do you live with?
I live with my sister.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.